in the silent, primordial reaches of the cosmos. There are titans that transcend mere existence to become the master sculptors of space-time itself. Somewhere in the deep, ancient past of the universe lies a monster that breaks every rule. A shadow wrapped in the light of 1 trillion stars that could swallow our entire history without a trace. This is This is not just a black hole. It is a structural anomaly of the cosmos. Located 8.5 billion light-years away at the core of the Phoenix cluster. It is the largest single object ever theorized by man. A gravity well so deep that the laws of traditional galactic growth should have forbidden its existence. Unlike other central black holes that act as thermostats to stop star formation, the Phoenix cluster is a star-birthing machine. Creating over 600 new suns every year. This environment serves as the ultimate feeding ground, allowing Phoenix A to devour an estimated 60 solar masses every 12 months, essentially consuming the mass of our entire sun every few days. The numbers associated with Phoenix A move beyond the realm of science and into the territory of myth, with an estimated mass of 100 billion times that of our sun. If you took every single star in the Milky Way galaxy and crushed them into a single point, you would still be far short of the mass of this one object. For years, we thought we knew the giants of our universe. But in 2010, everything changed when a team using the South Pole telescope accidentally spotted a glow that defied explanation. They also noticed it was pumping out more X-rays than any galaxy cluster ever observed. Even more shocking was the discovery that the galaxy at its center, Phoenix A, was creating stars at an insane rate of 740 new stars per year, compared to just 6 in our Milky Way. They realized the engine driving this cluster was a central black hole of impossible proportions. Phoenix A black hole creates a massive paradox for scientists. Theoretical models suggest a maximum size limit for black holes of around 50 billion solar masses, a limit Phoenix A has doubled. The theory is that once a black hole becomes too massive, its vacuum becomes so powerful that its own radiation blows away the debris or food supply before it can be consumed. But this monster devours the equivalent of 2 entire suns every week. Its event horizon, the point of no return, is 590 billion kilometers wide. That is 100 times the distance from the Sun to Pluto. If you were standing at one edge of its dark heart and fired a laser beam, the fastest thing in the universe, toward the other side, it would take 3 entire weeks for that light just to cross the darkness of the hole itself. Because it also blasts out enormous jets of plasma that show up on radio telescopes. Scientists often classify it as a radio galaxy. So, while it has the raw, blinding energy of a quasar, it is technically a high-energy active galactic nucleus that wears many hats. It is a consumer, a creator, and a radio broadcaster all at once. Because Phoenix A is so incredibly large, the tidal forces at its event horizon are actually very weak. If you fell into a small black hole, you would be spaghettified before you even reached the edge. But Phoenix A is so vast that the surface is relatively flat. You could cross the point of no return and not even feel it happen. You would be inside the abyss, mathematically doomed to die. Yet you could look back and see the stars of the universe for hours or even days before you finally hit the center. You would be a ghost, living in a tomb the size of a nebula. You have to stop thinking of Phoenix A as a large object and start thinking of it as a cosmic glitch. It is a hole in reality so massive that it challenges the very laws of physics that govern how the universe is built. When the last star in the universe runs out of fuel and the cosmos turns black, Phoenix A will still be there. It will be one of the last things to exist in our timeline. Because of its mass, after every star has burned out, every galaxy has drifted away, and even the most massive black holes completely evaporated into nothingness, it would still have billions of years to evaporate. It will sit in the total darkness of a dead universe, a silent, frozen king of a kingdom that no longer exists. Phoenix A is currently sitting at that absolute ceiling. It is quite literally as mighty as the universe will allow a single object to be. It is the final boss of reality.